Imagine a vehicle so bold, so futuristic, that it blurs the line between luxury limousine and a full-sized motorhome. Welcome back to Car Quest Pro, where we dive deep into the machines that are rewriting automotive history. Today, we're talking about something you've probably never seen before, the 2026 Volkswagen Limousine Motorhome, a rolling palace designed to redefine how we think about travel, comfort, and performance. At first glance, it doesn't just look like a motorhome, it looks like a moving five-star suite on wheels, with sleek German engineering lines, chrome accents that catch the light, and an aerodynamic design that makes you forget this beast's size. But here's the twist, it's not just about style, it's about presence. This machine is built to make every road your runway. Inside, the story gets even more jaw-dropping. Volkswagen has packed the cabin with lounge-like interiors, panoramic smart glass windows, reclining seats that transform into beds, ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood, and even a private entertainment suite. It's luxury living, except it moves at highway speeds. And speaking of speed, this isn't your typical sluggish motorhome. Under the hood, you're looking at a monstrous V8 hybrid powertrain pumping out over 500 horsepower, paired with advanced electric assist to ensure smooth acceleration. The result? A motorhome that can push past 130 miles per hour, while still offering the torque to climb mountain passes effortlessly. Now, let's talk price. The 2026 Volkswagen Limousine Motorhome is expected to start around $380,000, but depending on customization, that figure can easily push past $500,000. Pricey? Sure. But think about it. You're not just buying a vehicle, you're buying a rolling luxury mansion, a lifestyle statement that tells the world you don't just travel, you arrive. And that's the magic Volkswagen wanted to capture. So, what do you think? Is this the ultimate dream machine for the open road, or just another expensive toy for the elite? One thing's for sure, the 2026 Volkswagen Limousine Motorhome is unlike anything we've ever seen.